And Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. New IB World is in development. Like in the previous video, we have built many of the projects using DSA in Python, and we have also building projects using Python in artificial intelligence. And I hope you are understanding that all projects. So today we are just building an amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you'll be enjoying today's project here. So today I will be telling you that how to just build an amazing sorting visualization project here using Python in artificial intelligence. So I will be telling you what things we will be including in this project, and I hope this project will be helpful for you. So if this project is helpful for you and you are learning things from this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, the notification bell, so you will be getting all the notifications of my video which I'll be uploading in future. And also just remember to share these videos so more people can learn about these all projects. You can also check my previous videos out, like the big videos which I have uploaded, like I have just created amazing chat application plus social media application using Python in artificial intelligence, and I've also built a project using Next.js 13. That was a different project because I want to show you some different languages as well on this channel, so you can learn various programming languages on the same channel here. And you can also comment me in the sections like what projects do you want from me, in which language I'll be building that projects here. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that how we are just building this amazing sorting visualization project using Python in artificial intelligence, and what we will be using in this project from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project here. So today I will be telling you that how to just perform a task in background using Android Studio. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that what is performing task in background when we are working with Android Studio. Like in the previous videos when we were just building projects, so there we have just used emulator only, and using emulator we have just built all the previous videos project. Like we have just built countdown timer, runnable, and handler project using Android Studio. Plus we have also used emulator in that, and then we have also built an amazing project of Android Seedbar, and in that project also I have just used my Android means my emulator. So in this project here, which is the performing task in background, in this project also we will be using our emulator, because emulator is a main thing which we will be using in all the projects here which we are building through Android Studio. So after working with these all emulator, like you can say, after working with these all emulator projects, then we will be moving on to the coding projects, and then we will be moving on to the main code and working with our code. So today our title will be here, like you know that today we are just working with our project here which is called performing task in background. So I will be now just giving it the name here. But before giving it the name, just you have to open the emulator here. So you can just run your emulator directly, or you can delete and download another one. So I will be deleting this emulator and running, means creating another emulator and running it again. So here you have to directly do one thing. This time I will be now changing this name. So here you have to now directly do here, like you have to now move to the show baseline of this project, then you can just change the name of this. So here you have to now press the text view here, then you have to now just move in this Android list view. Here you will be getting the coordinator layout. From here you can just change that all stuff here. Then here you will be getting all the attributes, so you have to move in the attributes. Then from here I will be changing it to today's project. So our today's project is called performing task in background. So I will be writing performing task, so you can write in background like this. Now when you return this thing, you have to now directly press enter, or you can say directly you can go here. So you can see now we are getting our title which is saying performing task in background. Then you have to directly do one thing, you have to make it small like this, so it should be not giving away. So it is just when we are making it small, so it is giving some space here. So you can just directly take this font family to small here, or I think it is perfect, so we will be not needing to do this. So here you have to take it at the top like this. You can align it. Now it is perfectly good, and I think that now we are getting all the things here. So now we are now getting this text which is called performing task in background, which is looking good, and I hope you understand how we have written this task. You can directly move to the text, and from here you can change. Then here in this button I will be also writing some text like task in background like this. I will be giving it the name. Then press enter. You can see we are getting the name here, task in background. Then I will be making it long, so it should be in one line, task in background text which we have written. Now you can see our text is in one line, but here heading is perfectly good. We are getting all that stuff, means that it is working. So now when you are getting all these things here, you have to directly do one thing this time, like here I will be now making it in center like this. Now you can see this, we are now getting our page totally in center. Yes, now it is very good. So we are now getting our button, our heading. Now we have to run emulator, but before running emulator, we have to create emulator because we have deleted the previous emulator. So I will be now just clicking on this create device. First of all, you have to move to the device manager, pressing this icon which you are having at the top, which is called device manager. Press this create device. You have to press directly from here. Then select any device. I will be selecting PX, Pixel XL or Pixel 5. You can select any of one. Then resizable here as it. So I will be selecting Pixel XL and moving next. So here I am just using the S version. You can use the other versions like API 34, API 33, SP2, RQ. Means there are many system images available. You can use any of them, but I will be using this one which I have already downloaded using my Android Studio Figures and my Android Studio software which we have installed at the start when we were downloading Android Studio. So I will be pressing next here. Then you can give any of the AVD name, like I will be writing emulator 1. Then you have to now directly you have to change the startup orientation. Like if you want in portrait landscape, you can select here. I want in portrait, so here I will be pressing portrait and I will be pressing finish. You can also check here the graphics and emulated performance device frame, and you can press show advanced setting to change some advanced setting as well if you want to change, and if you want to make it manually, so you can just change by your own self. So I will be now pressing finish to create my emulator. You can see now my emulator has been created. So for running this emulator, you have to directly press double click. You can double click on this run button. So double click on this button, and you can see now your emulator will be running. You can see we are getting a text which is saying starting AVD, means it is starting my AVD on my default device manager. So you can see it is saying the emulator process for AVD emulator 1 has terminated. So it is just telling you, but your emulator will be directly connected and you will be having the running emulator on the right side. You can see now we are getting our mobile, and here we are getting the Google logo, means our emulator will be running in some file. So you can see now we are getting our emulator running here. So you can see we are getting the Google logo, means that our emulator is working, and we will be getting an emulator running here on the right side. So you can see this. So it will be not taking too much time, just it will be taking 1 to 2 minutes to run your emulator to set up the things, and then it will be giving you the emulator starting. And in the emulator you will be getting all the things like you are getting in random mobile when you are using your mobile. So you are getting like applications at Play Store, Google Chrome, like that. You can see now it is saying now it is saying me that Pixel is starting. So now my Pixel is starting here, and you can see now my Pixel has started and my emulator is running here perfectly. You can just set your visual SD card here as well if you want to set here, but we will be not setting that all stuff because we don't have to call anyone from here. Then you can also just set up some of the system updates, like here if you want to set up the internet connection. So if your PC is connected with the internet, so you will be getting directly internet in your mobile as well. You don't have to write the password of your internet again like that. Then you can just press this Bluetooth on, or if you want to off this, you can off as well. Then these are the some of the things which is installing here on your physical mobile device or your emulator, you can say. Then I will be directly opening this. You can see we are getting all the stuff like we are getting in random mobile when we use like YouTube. We are getting Gmail, Google Maps, clock, contacts, calendar. Means we are getting all the stuff which is important for any mobile when we are using. Like if you want to just set up the like you can say background, because in this project I will be telling you how to perform task in the background. So I will be telling you that how you can perform the task in background. So we'll be starting with clock. Means we will be learning like how you can set up the clock in the emulator when you are using it in the background task here, when you are performing the background task in your clock. So press this clock icon and your clock will be directly opening. Now here you can set any alarm of your clock. Like if I set the alarm to, like if I press this plus and the time is 5:21, so I can just set this to 5:22 if I just set. Okay. So you can see it is just taking me here. So I will be now directly moving here, and then I will be now directly doing one thing. I will be pressing this, and I will be setting the time to 5:23, and here I will be writing 5. So it is in PM, so I will be writing PM and pressing OK. Now you can see our alarm has been set here, and it is telling me that you are 1 minute short, and then it is telling me that OK and vibrate like this default, and then it is telling me do not dismiss it. Okay. Now we have just set the alarm, and now if I see that, so it is some seconds left to just 5:23 reading, and we will be getting our this emulator running because we have just set the alarm to 5:23 PM now. So you can repeat this as well. So it will be repeating here. your alarm on the days which you want to repeat, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. You can repeat that on the different day here. And now you can see 5:30, and you can see you will be getting some sound here in your PC. Like if you are having headphones or speakers, so you will be getting some sound in your mobile device. And if you want to just do that, so you can just set it, and you can also set the music available here like that. Then you can see we are getting all that stuff here in this. So now I understand that here we are just getting this. So now I will be doing one thing. I will be now deleting this like this, delete. Then you have to now directly set another alarm. So I will be now setting another alarm to 5:24. So I will be now writing here 5:24. Press OK, and then you have to repeat this alarm and press vibrate. So I've now set it to 5:24. So now when you have just set it to 5:24, so you will be getting some sound. If the sound will be coming, so we can just understand our alarm is working and our performing task in the background project will be ready. You can see our alarm is coming at the top, means that our project is running because 5:24 is here. So you can see our alarm was running here at the top, means that it is working, means our project is working now, and we are just getting all the stuff running. So like this, you can just create an amazing project performing task in the background. So you can see we have performed the task in the background of alarm clock, and when we have just covered this task here, so we are getting also the notification on our emulator like your alarm is running, and you can just snooze this alarm. Like you, if you want to close this alarm, you can press and close this. So like this, you can just create this project. I hope you understand how to perform a task in background using Android Studio from start. So if you have understand and enjoyed this video, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, remember to subscribe on this channel. And after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can perform a task in background using Android Studio and using various languages as well. So just I'll be with you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.